You love rice, I get it. Most of us grew up on it. It's comforting, it's familiar, and it feels like home. But if you are over 60 and worried about high blood sugar, diabetes, or gut issues, you've probably been told to cut rice out completely. That hurts, right? And so you eat with guilt, or worse, you stop eating rice altogether, even though it's been part of your life for decades. But what if I told you you don't have to give it up? What if you could enjoy your favorite rice dishes and still keep your blood sugar steady and heal your gut? Today, I'm going to show you a life changing method that doctors and nutritionists are finally talking about. A way to make rice work for you, not against you. Hi, friends. Welcome back to Green Health Channel, where we bring you simple science-backed tips for senior health and for the general health, so you can enjoy life without fear of sickness. Today, I am about to review how to cook and eat rice the right way so it becomes a friend and not an enemy to your blood sugar and gut. So do well to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on the channel. Let's be real, rice is comfort food. For many of us, it's tied to memories of family, celebrations, and home cooked meals. But here's the problem. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at handling carbs. When you eat a plate of white rice, it turns into sugar quickly in your bloodstream. This can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to tiredness, cravings, and even complications for diabetics. Weight gain, especially dangerous around the belly area, increased risk of heart disease and inflammation. That's why so many seniors are told, say goodbye to rice. But guess what? Rice is not the villain. The problem is the way we prepare and pair it. And I'm about to show you how to turn it from a threat into a healing food. White rice has a high glycemic index, which means it digests very fast and floods your blood with glucose. This creates that dangerous sugar spike, followed by a crash, leaving you tired, hungry, and at risk for diabetes complications. For seniors, this is even more serious because insulin sensitivity drops with age, metabolism slows down, gut health declines, making digestion harder. But here's the good news. You can change the way rice behaves inside your body with one simple trick, and science proves it works. Here's the game changer. Cook your rice. Let it cool in the fridge for 12 hours. Then reheat before eating. Why? Because cooling rice creates something called resistant starch. Resistant starch is powerful because it acts like fiber, not sugar. So it slows digestion. It reduces blood sugar spikes by up to 40%. This is proven by research. It fuels your gut bacteria, improving digestion and reducing inflammation. So now, instead of a sugar bomb, you have rice that behaves more like a whole grain, gentle on your blood sugar and great for your gut. Want to take it a step further? Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil to the water when cooking your rice. This makes even more resistant starch, giving your rice extra blood sugar friendly power. When you pair this with fiber-rich vegetables and protein, you slow down sugar absorption even more. That means no energy crashes, no hunger pangs, better blood sugar stability. So instead of eating plain rice, make it a complete balanced meal. Think cooled rice plus stir-fried veggies, plus grilled fish or beans, delicious and healthy. Now, just because you made your rice healthier doesn't mean you can eat a whole pot. For seniors, portion control is key. The sweet spot, half to 1 cup per meal, measured after cooking. Pair it with protein and veggies for balance. Avoid eating rice late at night because your metabolism slows down when you sleep. The best time to enjoy rice, lunch or early dinner. That way your body has time to digest and use the energy, not store it as fat. Here's something many seniors don't realize. Your gut health controls your entire well-being. A weak gut can lead to poor nutrient absorption, weakened immunity, inflammation that triggers arthritis, diabetes, and even memory problems. By cooling and re-eating rice, you are creating resistant starch that feeds your good gut bacteria. This turns your gut into a powerhouse for better digestion, reduced bloating, and stronger immunity. Imagine this: instead of feeling heavy and sluggish after a rice meal, you feel light, energized, and satisfied because your gut is finally happy. It's like turning your favorite comfort food into a healing tool for your body. Let's be honest, food isn't just nutrition, it's memories, family, and love. You shouldn't have to give up rice, a food that's been part of your life for decades, just because of blood sugar fears. With this simple trick, you can enjoy your favorite rice dishes guilt free while protecting your health, lowering your blood sugar, and healing your gut. So, here's my challenge for you. Tonight, cook your rice, let it cool in the fridge, and reheat it tomorrow. Then tell me in the comments, how do you feel after making this switch? If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this video with someone who loves rice, and subscribe for more senior health tips that actually work. Your health is in your hands and it starts with small, smart changes like this one. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, Green Health Cares.